Meaning of genetically modified.
Genetically modified.
Genetically modified.
Genetically modified.
Genetically modified. Genetically modified refers to the process of altering an organism's DNA in order to introduce desirable traits or remove undesirable ones. This technique is typically used in agriculture to create crops with enhanced resistance to pests, better yields, and improved nutritional content. While there are potential benefits to genetically modified organisms, there are also concerns about their safety and potential impact on the environment and human health. Some studies suggest that GMOs may have negative effects on biodiversity and soil health, and there are ongoing debates about their long-term impact on the food supply chain.